Picture this. You're running your business, creating content, trying to get ahead of the competition, but you're not using AI tools. You're stuck, feeling like everyone else is passing you by. In 2025, without these 5 tools, you'll regret not jumping on the AI bandwagon now. Today, we're going to dive into these 5 game-changing AI tools that will transform your work, if you're brave enough to make the shift. 2025 is around the corner. Marketers, content creators, and businesses all know that AI is the future. But here's the harsh reality. If you're not adapting now, you're already behind. AI is revolutionizing how we work, and if you want to stay ahead, you need to be using the right tools. In fact, without these 5, you'll find yourself irrelevant and struggling to keep up with those who did embrace them. You might be thinking, "Oh, I can do it all myself." Sure, keep believing that while AI keeps growing exponentially. Let's get real. You might be relying on outdated methods, or just trying to work harder, not smarter. But I won't be kind to you if you don't shift. AI tools like these are reshaping everything from content creation to customer outreach. The tools we're talking about today, they don't just save time, they'll help you increase your productivity, creativity, and impact. For example, one AI tool, Jasper, can create high-quality content in minutes, while another, Hootsuite's autoscheduler, can analyze user behavior to optimize your marketing strategy. And one of them, MailChimp's AI, automates your email marketing, making personalized emails to boost your conversions. The fourth tool, Surfer SEO, helps you optimize your content for the best SEO results. And the fifth, Descript, an AI video editor that creates stunning videos with just a few clicks, perfect for creators and marketers alike. But that's just scratching the surface. There's one tool that ties everything together, and you won't believe how powerful it is. Stick with me. This is going to change everything. So here they are, the 5 AI tools that will shape 2025. The first is Jasper, a content generator that can write blogs, emails, and even entire ebooks in minutes. Next is Hootsuite's autoscheduler, which automates your social media posts like a pro, saving you hours each week. The third, MailChimp's AI, which generates personalized emails to boost your conversions. The fourth is Surfer SEO, helping you optimize your content for top SEO rankings. And the fifth, Descript, an AI video editor that creates stunning videos in just a few clicks, ideal for marketers and content creators alike. Now, don't think this is a get-rich-quick gimmick. AI tools won't work if you don't know how to use them strategically, but get them right, and 2025 will be your year. If you're ready to future-proof your business and stop falling behind, then now's the time to dive into these AI tools. And trust me, there's so much more to learn. If you're serious about staying ahead in 2025, subscribe now, because I'll be sharing more in-depth tutorials and AI-driven strategies to take your game to the next level. Check out the end screen for more on mastering digital marketing and AI tools for 2025.